Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, January 10th. Hope everybody is doing well. Things are good here. We've been getting snow constantly, so it's kind of getting a little much, but I'm not going to complain because I know like if you're in California and I'm affected by the fires, I feel so bad for you, and I'm sure it's so scary and it's heartbreaking for everybody to see. So I'm thinking about you guys out there. I do have a good size haul this week, so let's get started. I went to Hobby Lobby because Valentine's Day stuff is 40% off now, so I thought I'd go and check it out and see what I could find. I did get a few Valentine's things, a few things that weren't on sale. This is one of the things I got that wasn't on sale. This is removable glue dots, which I do love to use. I usually get the box that has the roll in it, but this is a dispenser, so it's kind of like a tape runner. So I thought I would try this. I haven't seen this before. I'm sure it's been around, but I just haven't seen it. It was $5.99, which I don't think is a bad price for this. And this was like in the front, like on a display of adhesive. So I got that. And then I got these lollipops. I actually don't know if they were on sale or not, and I can't find my receipt, but they were $3.99, 16. I think I remember Armin, Happy Mail Queen, got these last year. So I thought they were so pretty. It comes with a pack of 16. They're just swirled lollipops, and they're Tutti Frutti flavor. I thought these would be so cute to include in Happy Mail, and they do come with bows tied around the sticks, so I thought these were just really, really cute. And yeah, so I got those. And then Valentine things I picked up these flat back buttons. They were $2.99, 40% off. There are 6 pieces. I was thinking about these because I just made that mailbox recently. I thought these would be kind of cute to somehow incorporate into another mailbox that I make. So 6 of those. And then I saw these. I thought these were really cool. I love the like Christmas wax seal stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. So these are the Valentine version. There's 12 pieces for $1.99. Of course on sale, and there's light pink, medium pink, dark pink, and a red. And these say the light pink say be mine, these say love and XOXO, be mine, and XOXO and love. So really cute. And then I got these heart stickers for $3.49 on sale, and they have ones like this in the regular Paper Studio section. They're just different colors. Those are really pretty too, and those are actually 40% off this week. But I really love the red color in this pack. It's red, but it's got like a pink glow to it. So I just fell in love with that color, and that's why I got this pack. And of course, I love all the other colors too. They're really nice and chunky too. So good for Valentine projects. And then the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby was this cold transfer sheet. So these are the things that you can add to your glass projects. It says you can wrap it around their 16-ounce clear glass cup, and this is how you apply it. So can you cut these apart and add them to projects? I'm thinking you probably can, right? You don't have to do the whole sheet. So that's what I got this for. I don't know. I just want to play with it. So intended for use on glass, ceramic, wood, plastic, metal, and coated paper, not for use on fabric. So I thought the, candy hearts were cute with the fun sayings on them. And it was only $3.99 on sale too. So, all right, so that's what I got at Hobby Lobby. Nothing extravagantly, nothing crazy, but so that's it. I got these, my daughter purchased these alcohol markers from Amazon, and she had gotten a new planner for Christmas, and she wanted markers that would not show through the pages. And one of the YouTubers she watched recommended alcohol markers, and I had a feeling they wouldn't work because these bleed through, and sure enough they did. So she sold them to me because I love the colors. I think they're so pretty. The brand is Cali Art, so I will link this down below. It was $39.99 I think for these. I really don't know how many are in here, but you'll see on the link. The colors are so pretty, all these pastels. And I did use one in a project. I needed a yellow, and I, found one of these yellows. It was the perfect color. So they come with a brush tip and a broad tip. So there's the brush tip and the broad tip. So yeah, I have a lot of alcohol markers, but I just fell in love with this assortment. She could have returned them to Amazon, but I said, you know what, I'll just take them because I really like to have pastel colors, and sometimes I just can't find the right, light yellow or light pink or whatever. So this is a really nice assortment, and they work well too. They just bleed through, so, remember that. She actually did end up getting some highlighter pens, which don't bleed through. So that worked out fine for both of us. So I got that from Amazon. That'll be linked. I went to Walmart, picked up a few things. I got these, I get these every year, Jolly Rancher Jelly Hearts. They come in cherry, strawberry, and watermelon. They're just so good, and they look so cute in like a pretty glass jar for Valentine's Day. So I got those. I got some like Hershey Kisses too, but I left them upstairs. And then I got these bags. These are in the big Valentine's section in the front, 97 cents for 15 pieces. And I did open it. They look like this. They're printed on white. I thought they would be clear. Actually, I was kind of hoping they were clear, but it is kind of nice to have a white background there. So these are good to, include for Happy Mail, put some treats in there, put a bag topper on there. So 97 cents. And then I also I needed a new gold paint marker. So I got this one. This isn't exactly like the one I had before. This is the one that I have right now. I thought I had gotten it at Walmart, but maybe I didn't. But I got this one, and it came in like different styles. This one is a chisel tip. And let's see, metallic. This is the gold color, obviously. So let's open this up and see how it looks. I love using gold paint pens for accents on my paper projects. And this one is kind of drying out. That's why I had to get a new one. All right, I was having the hardest time opening this, but I got it open and I'm just shaking it now. So then you have to kind of like press the point down to get the pen, to get the ink into the pen, and this stinks. Oof. So I just want to see how it looks when it's writing. Okay, so the ink is coming down into the point. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks really nice, nice gold, but oh man, does that stink. Okay, so there's that. And that was 2 something, I believe. Move my old one. And then also at Walmart, I saw, okay, I brought over the cover sheet. This is the paper I usually get there. It's the Astro Bright Premium Smooth Cardstock. I get this in the like office supply printer paper section. This is 65-pound paper, and it was formerly Nina Bright White. But then I saw this paper in the like paper crafting section, and it's Astro Designs cardstock. And this is, okay, it's a little bit less bright. There's 100 pages, and it's 74-pound instead of 65-pound. So I just opened it, and I thought maybe I'd compare it to the other one. I use this white paper, not just for printing. I do use it for printing like my papers that I download from Etsy, but I also use it for whenever I need white cardstock in my paper crafting projects. Okay, so this is the new one, and this is the old one. And yeah, the color is a little bit different. They feel about the same. I guess it's a little heavier, but yeah, very similar. And I'm so sorry, I forget again how much that costs, but just an option in case you can't find the Astro Brights, look in the paper crafting section. And they had like different weights of paper there too. I thought I'd go with the 74-pound paper. So there's that one. Just move that over so you could see it again. Actually, I'll take that paper out. Okay, and then was that it from Walmart? Yeah, that was it. I got an order in from the Greetery. They were having a sale. I just looked on their website. I didn't see a sale right now, but sometimes they have coupon codes and stuff. But anyway, I got an email from them, and I haven't even opened this yet. I love the Greetery. They have some really pretty different stamps and dies, things you can make. Everything just comes so nice. Okay, so I got this stamp, well, this is a die and stencil set, and it's called Fine China. So it makes a really pretty plate, like china plate. Take a look on their website to see their examples. I haven't had a chance to work with it yet. And then I got the stamp set that goes with it. And this is Fine China 4x8 stamp set. So you could stamp like different colors if you want to for the edge of the plate, for the inside. You can add different decorations. There's happy birthday for you and thank you. So like there's an example. Isn't that pretty? I love china plates, and I thought this would be so nice for like Mother's Day or, you know, just something for a girlfriend. So I got those, and then I also added this to my order. This is a big like background stamp, and this one's called, it's called like embroidery flower or something like that, something embroidery. So it looks really nice on the example. I'll link these down below so you could check them out. It doesn't have a name on it, does it? Am I missing it? I don't think so. But yeah, hang on, let me look at my receipt. Maybe it says on there. It is embroidered background. Okay. So yeah, it does look really nice when you see it online. So I thought I could even combine those two different projects. I just need more time so I could get to all these things. I have so much I want to do. All right, so that was from the Greetery. Dollar Tree, I went to just to check them out, and I didn't really get much. Actually, I only got two of one thing. I got these shaped marshmallows. These were $1.25 a bag, and I do like to put out glass jars, like with the jelly hearts. But like I have a big one that I can put these in for Valentine's Day, and they're kind of. I mean, you could eat them, of course, but you can use them for decor too. So I'm getting ready to put up my Valentine's stuff. I took down all of my Christmas and Christmas tree this week, so that's been, you know, taken a lot of my time because I have literally 10 bins full of Christmas decorations, not including tree stuff. So yeah, I mean, I love when my house is decorated. It looks really nice, but oh man, does it take a long time to clean it up. But that's done, so moving on to Valentine's Day. All right. Just a couple more items. I went to Five Below. Oh, I should have brought it down. I got a Snoopy Valentine's Day t-shirt, and I'll wear that to bed. It's cute. If I find a picture online, I'll post it up here. But I got that, $5. And then I found this basket. This was in the back and in the room to room section. It was $5, I believe, woven paper storage bin. And it's got a pretty scallop trim. This came in white as well, but I love this pink color. It's a really nice light pink. So I'm going to use this for storage here in my craft room. And then I also got, while I was there, I picked up a Pusheen Mystery Plush Clip. And these are the different ones that it could be. So I thought we could open this up together. My husband got me the Pusheen, like, mystery subscription box for a Christmas present. Actually, my son got it for me, my son and my husband. So I got the winter box already. It has so many cute things in it. So I'm actually wearing the sweater that it came with right now. So yeah, let's open this. I love Pusheen. So see which one it is. Oh, it's a pink one holding a cookie. She's so cute. It's that one there. So this was, I think it was $5, probably. Isn't that cute? Couldn't resist. So that is it for this week, I believe. I am working on some Scrap Diva Designs projects right now. Really fun stuff. And I'm using sorry, I shouldn't make all those crinkles. I'm using the January subscription box paper from Miss Kate's Designs. So I will be, I showed you guys that in my last week's haul, I think. So I will be using that in some projects. So stay tuned for that. And of course, more KS Craft projects are coming. I have a lot of dies still to work with from KS Craft and Scrap Diva Design, so I'll be busy doing that. It's so nice to be able to spend time crafting. I haven't done too much this week just because of all my organizing I've been trying to do in the house, and snow. Well, we have a guy who comes and plows the driveway, but I'm in charge of shoveling the walk and the top of the driveway and at any place the plow guy can't get. So it's okay. It's good exercise, and you know, I don't mind. I like snow. It's just been so much. We're ready for you know, a lull, which I think is going to happen tomorrow, which is very nice. And besides that, I'm just looking at my list. If there's anything else. Nope, I think that's it. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. I will be up soon with a Scrap Diva Designs video, and so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you join us here on my channel. And I will also try and get some projects made soon with the stamp set or stamp and die set. Looking forward to playing with that. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Let me know what you're up to this weekend. Let me know what your favorite find was this week too. I'd love to hear. All right, I will talk to you later. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and a great weekend. Take care. Bye.